Have you ever wondered how businesses are using AI to grow faster and smarter? You might have heard about artificial intelligence, but did you know that companies are using it to save time, work better, and make more money? AI is changing how businesses work in many ways. Do you want AI to handle most of your work and save you time, so you can focus on thinking of new ideas? Then watch this video till the end. AI and content creation. Creating content takes time, but AI can make it much easier. Tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Jasper help businesses write blog posts, emails, and outlines quickly. Instead of starting from scratch, you can enter a few words, and AI will generate ideas and full drafts. AI is not just for writing, it also creates images. Tools like Midjourney and DALL-E can turn text descriptions into high-quality pictures. This is helpful for businesses that need eye-catching graphics for ads, websites, or social media. How can you use AI for content? Imagine you own a small bakery and want to write a blog post about the best cupcake flavors of the year. You can use ChatGPT to get a full draft in seconds. Then, you can edit it to match your style. If you need a picture of a fancy cupcake, you can use DALL-E to create one. Benefits: AI saves time, gives fresh ideas, and helps businesses grow faster. However, AI content is not perfect. It's important to check, edit, and make sure it sounds right before using it. AI in marketing. Marketing is all about reaching the right people at the right time. AI helps businesses understand what customers like and how they behave. This allows companies to create better ads and improve their marketing strategies. How AI helps in marketing. Personalization. AI studies customer behavior and creates targeted ads. Instead of showing the same ad to everyone, AI tailors messages to match different groups of people. Predictive analytics. AI looks at past data to predict future trends. Businesses can use this information to improve their marketing strategies and make better decisions. Market research. AI tools analyze competitors and customer trends, helping businesses find new opportunities and stay ahead of the competition. Example: imagine you own an online clothing store. AI can track what your customers like to buy. If a customer often purchases sportswear, AI can suggest new sportswear items to them in an email or ad. This makes customers more likely to buy, improving sales. Impact. AI saves time by automating marketing tasks, improves targeting by understanding customer needs, and helps businesses engage better with their audience. With AI, companies can make smarter marketing decisions and grow faster. AI in sales. Sales teams work hard to find customers and convince them to buy. AI makes this process easier by helping businesses understand customer needs and predict future sales. AI-powered tools like Salesforce analyze data and help sales teams make smarter decisions. How AI helps. In sales, lead generation and scoring. AI identifies people who might be interested in a product and ranks them based on their interest level. This helps sales teams focus on the best leads. Sales forecasting. AI looks at past sales data to predict future trends. Businesses can plan better and adjust their strategies based on AI insights. Email. Personalization. AI writes customized emails based on customer preferences. Personalized emails increase the chances of getting a response and making a sale. Example: imagine you sell fitness equipment online. AI can analyze customer searches and past purchases. If a customer recently bought dumbbells, AI can suggest workout mats or resistance bands in a follow-up email. This increases the chances of another sale. Results. AI saves time, improves accuracy, and helps sales teams close more deals. With AI, businesses can connect with customers in a more personal and effective way. AI in customer service. Good customer service keeps customers happy, but answering every question can take a lot of time. AI makes customer service faster and more efficient by helping businesses respond quickly. Tools like Zendesk and Deep Converse use AI chatbots to assist customers 24/7, even when human agents are not available. How AI helps. In customer service, self-service portals. AI-powered systems provide answers to common questions, so customers can find solutions on their own without waiting. Sentiment analysis. AI scans customer messages, reviews, and feedback to understand emotions and satisfaction levels. This helps businesses improve their services. Faster response times. AI-powered chatbots instantly reply to customer queries, reducing long wait times. If needed, AI can direct customers to a human representative. Example: imagine you own an online shoe store. A customer has a question about their order status. Instead of waiting for a human agent, an AI chatbot can instantly check the order details and provide an update. If the issue is complex, the chatbot can connect the customer to a support agent. Outcome: AI saves businesses time, reduces customer frustration, and makes service faster and more reliable. With AI, companies can handle more customers while improving their overall experience. AI in operations and IT management. Running a business smoothly requires managing many tasks, from handling IT systems to keeping workflows efficient. AI helps businesses by monitoring systems, automating tasks, and improving resource management. This reduces errors and prevents problems before they happen. How AI helps in IT and operations. AI Ops. AI for IT operations. AI constantly checks IT systems to find and fix issues before they cause major problems. Automation of routine tasks. AI updates software, runs security checks, and manages backups automatically, saving time for IT teams. Resource management. AI ensures the right tools, people, and data are used efficiently, improving business performance. Example: imagine you manage an e-commerce website. If the website crashes during a big sale, customers may leave and you lose money. AI-powered monitoring tools detect issues in real time and fix them before the site goes down. AI can also automatically update security features to protect customer data. Effect: AI makes IT systems more reliable, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Businesses can focus on growth instead of worrying about technical failures. With AI, operations run smoothly, saving time and money. AI in accounting and finance. Managing money is one of the most important parts of any business, but handling financial records, tracking expenses, and ensuring everything is correct can take a lot of time. AI helps businesses manage finances more easily by automating tasks, reducing errors, and preventing fraud. How AI helps in accounting. Automated bookkeeping. AI tools like QuickBooks and Flowcast handle data entry and invoices automatically, saving time. Payroll processing. AI makes sure employees get paid on time without human errors. Tax compliance. AI helps accountants prepare tax reports accurately by organizing financial data. How AI helps in finance. Fraud detection. AI quickly spots unusual transactions and prevents financial fraud. Budget. Forecasting. AI analyzes past financial data to predict future expenses and income. This helps businesses plan better. Investment insights. AI studies market trends, giving businesses smarter investment options. Example: imagine you run a small clothing business. Every month, you need to track sales, pay employees, and manage invoices. Instead of spending hours doing this manually, you can use an AI-powered accounting tool. It will automatically record sales, calculate salaries, and send invoices to suppliers. If there is any unusual financial activity, AI can alert you instantly. AI makes accounting and finance faster, more accurate, and safer. Businesses save time, reduce financial risks, and make better money decisions. With AI, handling finances becomes easy and stress-free. AI is changing the way businesses grow and work smarter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on using AI to your advantage.